Struggling to find the perfect office space to rent in Lagos? Come with me. Welcome to The Zone, your new workspace. Vibrant serviced offices and co-working spaces. Fit for large organizations, small teams, startups, and freelancers. Fully equipped meeting rooms for all your business needs. Professional staff to ensure a conducive workplace, and so much more. At The Zone, you do not need to worry about the technicalities of office management. Just show up and work. The future of work is here. Contact us now to experience your new workspace at The Zone. Your perfect workspace is just a call away. Get in The Zone. Visit our website or call now to schedule a tour.